Hello, everyone. It's Robert Nelson here. I'm the Director of Coaching here at Prosperity Connection. I just want to do a short tutorial to show you all how to register for coaching on our website. So first, I'm going to share my screen here. All right, first things first, you want to pull up your internet browser. Once you pull up your browser, you want to go to prosperityconnection.org. That's our website. Once you reach our website, this is our home screen that you should be welcomed with. In the very top right corner, you'll see it says register now. If you click this tab, it takes you to our register now page. If English is not your native language, you can change the translate here under the Google Translate button. We only have a few options available. We're trying to make this a little more diverse as we go along. But for now, we have a few different languages you can change it to, and if English is not your native language. So from this page, you can register for the various programs we have. So you can register for our financial classes. That is the default setting of this page when you land here. So it asks who referred you to Prosperity Connection. If you click the drop down, you get a few different options. You have financial institutions, community partners, nonprofit organizations, or other. When you click one of those, a drop-down menu will come, and you can select which one from this list. If the place who referred you or person referred you is not listed, you can always click other, and that's for every option here. So if we go to community partner, and we have other agency, if the one referred is not here, or if you have other, then you just enter it in yourself here. For classes, it'll show the list of our classes here. Right now, we're on summer break for our classes. Our classes start back up in September. So, but normally you'll see the list of classes here. You'll see that come back in September. After that, you enter in your information. So name, pronouns, all your identifying information here, and mailing info and demographics. We try to get all that information up front. And then once you hit register, we send you an email with the class information so you can log in when the class starts. Our classes are virtual right now. And then next we have credit reviews. Is the exact same process. You click who referred you. If it's other, you type in the name or person or organization, then your information, your demographics, then register. And lastly, we have coaching. Under the coaching tab, once again, the exact same thing. You click who referred you. If other, then you type it in yourself. Under coaching, we do have a space for the client to let us know what they're looking to receive from financial coaching. So there is a space there for you to type, and it can just be a few words. You can say, well, I'm looking to better budget my money. I'm looking to increase my savings, to increase my credit score. If you have a financial goal already in mind, you're more than welcome to list that financial goal here or any other financial goals, any information that can help your financial coach. Then once again, you put in your information, and then you hit register, and then you're off to the races. We also have a spot at the bottom for if you have any special needs. So if you're someone who may need wheelchair accessible entries, we would like to know they're here so we can ensure whatever location we meet has that if it's not virtual, or if English is not your native tongue and you need an interpreter, we would like to know that so we can try to help mitigate that and find that interpreter. So if you have any special needs, you can also enter that there along with your information. And that about sums it up. That's how you register for our services. Clients can do this, and even if you're a representative for an organization or a bank or credit union, if the client is okay with it, of course, you have to receive consent from the client. You can also enter this information for them as well. But this is a very important step in registering a client for our services because this gets that client the help they need the quickest. So just want to put this out there for you all. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We also have contact information here on our website where you can call and reach out to us and email. So if you have any questions, please feel free to do that. but I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you all so much for referring people to us in the first place. I am so glad that you all find our services helpful and useful to the community, and I hope that we can continue to do so as we go along in our journey. Thank you.